Have we started?
It should start any
Okay.
second, or any minute, or
Any
hour.
minute, any second. I'm having a chocolate. Welcome if you're already with us. Oh, I'm not even on the schnibble.
On the Schnibble Italy.
I clicked on the schnibble. I clicked on Folgender,
Folgender.
but I didn't go to the schnibble.
Even me knows that.
Wow. Oh. Anyway, hi everybody if you're joining us. If you're not, then no hi.
I mean, they won't know, so
Exactly.
don't need to mention that.
Let us know, Dons le chat, if you guys are watching.
It's working.
I clicked on the schnibble. I clicked on Folgender, but it didn't go to the schnibble. There we go. I didn't realize I sounded like that in real life.
You do.
I do sound like that.
That's terrible. I know.
Excuse you.
No, I mean in the way that
Don't try and defend it. Don't try and goed praten.
when we hear
Try
our
not to good
voices,
prat.
it always sounds weird. That's what
Good prat. Anyway,
that's
people
what I say, right?
joining, watching us, hello. Let us know in the chat where you're from, and I'm gonna play some morning music.
Whoa.
Anyway, hi everybody, welcome.
Why did you stop?
No, that was it. That was the end of the medley. That was like, that was nice. It was like an overture for the concert. Now all the ones you just heard, we're gonna sing. No, don't worry, that's not what's gonna happen.
Thank God.
Rude. Joao said he was relieved. Oh no, he didn't. He just goes, "Oh, gracias a Deus." That's. Oh, you've said it now, bro. Do you wanna sing a Joao? I'm so upset. Every night in my dreams, I see you, I feel you. That is how I know you. Go on. Far across the distance and spaces between us, you have come to show you. Go on. Near, far, wherever you are, I believe that the heart does go on. Once more, you open the door, and you're here in my heart, and my heart will go on, on, on. Love was when you loved me, one true time I hold to. In my life will always be one. Near, far, wherever you are, I believe that the heart does go on. We'll stay forever this way. You are here in my heart, and my heart will go on and on. Apple, give us free stuff. You're here. There's nothing I fear, and I know that my heart will go on. You'll stay forever this way. You are safe in my heart, and my heart will go on and on. staying with sad songs. Hello to everybody, welcome. If you've just joined us, remember there's a like button, there's a subscribe button, and you can donate us all of your puli. That means money. Below, using the links for PayPal and Patch It Off. So, thank you for joining in. We're going back to one of the saddest songs that I know. Of course, because we had a few happy songs. So,
Today?
we haven't had any happy songs yet. Well, we have. Okay, enjoy this song. This is Glass Parade by Carey Brothers, which I did the majority of my GCSE homework to when I was 16. Just sounds so sad already, right?
There was a nice suggestion.
I can't sing. Just a voice inside your head, whispering all that hope is dead. All the times you had to prove that no one really loves you. I found you in a reflection you didn't want me to see. I would give you all I have, just look up, break down and believe. This is a glass parade, a fragile state, and I am trying not to break. And the stars are shining, the moon is bright, and I would kill to be with you tonight. Wish you told me all the truth, so afraid to face an absolute. All the fights you had to lose, when all the fear was put upon you. I found you when you were broken, too many cracks of deceit. I will give you all I have, just look up, break down and believe. This is a glass parade, a fragile state, and I am trying not to break. And the stars are shining, the moon is bright, and I would kill to be with you tonight. This is the feeling, so much I wanna say. Give me the same emotion and show me what's at stake. And how much can you take when you realize your fate? ahead.
So was the squeaking.
The squeaking was part of it, apparently. Pedro. Yeah, that's very true. Joao and I spoke about it a while back, and then school started, and yeah, that was one of right at the beginning we mentioned about switching on team.
What?
Twitching on streaming on Twitch. Whew, too many platforms
Streaming on Reddit.
as well. But before that, we mentioned Twitchzinho. Anyway, guys, if y'all have any requestzinhos, let me know.
You sure you spoke with this genie?
Yeah. No. Sorry. Rest in peace, headphone users. There's like obviously 10 genios in my life. Not true. Joao's the only one.
Uh-huh. Yeah, I heard that. Ooh.
Okay, we have two. Oh my god. Joao's making puns. Anyway, guys,
I saw a microbiologist today. He was much bigger than I expected.
okay, I think we need to get Joao not doing the bad puns. Let's do some. Well, Lucinda Donne isn't here. No, she's not here, but it was her suggestion.
Aw.
So we should do one or two now, and then if she comes by later, then we should do it.
No.
Joao, are we doing it? No, but bossa nova. I haven't spent much. I haven't spent much time at the apartment this week, so now Joao and I have lost a bit of our being able to communicate without actually saying anything.
Whoa.
Hospital calling Dr. Joao to room.
Sorry, was kind of busy.
Shit posting.
No, mostly.
You smell so much of wine. He
This
sits
much.
down and it just smells like a Spanish
had
pub.
this-
Portuguese pub. Sorry. I meant the last pub I went to
Still
was.
bad.
Why?
Still bad. Not all Portuguese. But it should smell like gunpowder, not wine.
NASA finds. What was it?
Spices.
Spices on
on
Mars.
Mars. There goes a caravel. You have to do that thing with the other guy, with people clapping on one and
Oh, yeah,
three.
then he just does five.
He just
5/4
did a
bar.
5/4 bar, and
It's
then,
like-
oh, guess what? You're not playing on the beat anymore.
Is that a good key for you?
Yeah, wherever.
You know how it goes at the beginning, like
No.
swap, 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 swap. This is why we needed a rehearsal. Yeah, and then it swaps.
Okay. Yeah.
I'll do the verses and you do the first chorus.
Yes. Okay.
You always do the chorus. I'll do harmony and then a second voice. Okay.
Yes. Which will be home crying
Ready?
with joy.
Yo, I'll tell you what I want, what you really, really want.
So tell me what you want, what you really, really want.
I'll tell you what I want, what I really, really want.
So tell me what you want, what you really, really want.
I wanna really, really, really wanna zig zig. If you want my future, forget my past. If you wanna get with me, better make it fast. No, don't go wasting my precious time. Get your act together, we could be just fine. Yo, say what I want, what I really, really want.
So tell me what you want, what you really, really want.
I wanna zig zig.
If you want a real love,
One, two, three, four.
if you wanna be my lover, you gotta get my friends. Make it last forever. Friendship never ends. If you wanna be my lover, you have got to give. Taking is too easy, but that's the way it is.
What you think about that? You know how I feel. Say you can handle my love, are you for real? I won't be hasty, I'll give you a try. If you really bug me, then I'll say goodbye. You'll say what I want, what I really, really want.
So tell me what you want, what you really want.
I wanna really, really, really wanna zig zig. If you wanna be my lover,
Gotta get with my
gotta get with
friends.
my
Make it last
friends.
forever.
Friendship never ends.
If you wanna be my lover, you have got to give.
Got to
Taking
give.
is too easy, but that's the way it is.
So here's a story from A to Z. You wanna get with me? You gotta listen carefully. We got M in the place who likes it in your face. We got Jilla MC who likes it. Easy V doesn't come for free. She's a real lady, and as for me, you'll see. Slam your body down and wind it all around. Slam your body down and wind it all around. If you wanna be my lover, gotta get with my friends.
Last forever.
Friendship never ends. If you wanna be my lover, you have got to give, got to
Taking is
give.
too easy, that's the way it is.
If you wanna be my lover, you gotta get with my friends. Make it last forever. Friendship never ends. If you wanna be my lover, you have got to give. Taking is too easy, but that's the way it is.
Oh, can you squeak in time, please? That doesn't look okay.
Excuse me.
You can do it.
No, then they'd see it. Say pas le point. Yes, girl.
Stop. Make up your mind.
Shit, how does it start?
I don't know.
Oh no, I forgot how we end.
You're just walking, I make you smile. You don't even know me. You think
I got it again.
You're welcome.
You just walk in, I make you smile. It's cool, but you don't even know me. I take an inch, you run a mile. I can't when you're always right behind me. And we know that you could go and find some other. Take or leave it, I just don't even bother.
miss me around forever. Don't you know it's going too fast? Racing so hard, you know it won't last. Don't you know? Why can't you see? Slow it down with the sign. Do you know just where you're going? Stop right now. Thank you very much. I need somebody with a human touch. Yeah, you always on the run. Gotta slow it down, baby. Gotta have some fun. Do 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 do. I gotta dab. Do 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 do. And we know that you could go and find some other. Take it or leave it, 'cause we always got each other. Don't know who you are, and yes, you're gonna break down. Don't resign your mama, 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 mama. Stop right now. Thank you very much. I need somebody with a human touch. Hey, you always on the run. Gotta slow it down, baby. Gotta have some fun.
You want to do it?
Bates com elas no chão.
Stop right now. Thank you very much. I need somebody with a human touch. Hey, you always on the run. Gotta slow it down, baby. Gotta have some fun. Stop right now. Thank you very much. I need somebody with a human touch. Hey, you always on the run. Gotta slow it down, baby. Gonna have some fun.
Do you know the lyrics here? You okay, sir?
It's the same beginning as Hercules.
That's my soul. Hercules on the wrong. Hero of the wicked, every Greek up in your ball. What a thrill.
We need to do more. Oh, I saw that. We need to do more Disney and more songs like that. What have you been doing away from y'all's apartment? We'll have to start calling you the Spice Boys.
Oh my god. The Spice Boys.
I am all around this. The Spice Boys presents Lin and Tonic, the musical.
I have to say,
Sorry.
yeah. Oh my god. Jesus. Okay,
I would unironically love that. That was a good.
Lynn gives the best suggestions for
Lin
merchandising.
absolutely gives the hamba.
We need a hat. Make
Oh,
the
we
Spice Boys
do.
great again. Anyway, I was going to say,
Yeah, what was you gonna say, bro?
was it like 2 weeks ago? I think that we did Barbie Girl.
Oh,
That Timmy
yes.
asked. So I went to Timmy's place to get my haircut the day after, and the first thing he tells me the moment I step in his establishment, he starts singing Barbie Girl. So that was very cool. And he said, I quote, "I never thought you guys would do it."
It's cute when people think the concerts are serious, and they like rock up and they're like, "Oh, I probably shouldn't suggest this, but I'd love to hear it." And then 3 months later, they're like, "You know, I really want to hear you do that." And I'm like, "Girl, you should
Ask
have
it.
said that a long time ago."
Oh, that reminds me, one person. Marquito. Oh, so I thought you guys are doing like serious concerts and they're like serious professional musicians. But then this comes out, so.
I mean, we are serious professional musicians. We just know how to have fun. singing
a
like
tiny
that.
bit too much drama.
Ha, ha.
Just
I have goosebumps. I have goosebumps. I don't know about you guys. Woo! Oh, it's so fun singing like that. Man, I have tears in my eyes. It's so much energy.
where would you have tears?
Woo!
If
I'll
not,
tell you when you're older.
girl,
Yes, girl? Anyway, we were doing a
we're the
serious song.
same age.
That's a joke, bro. Oh, that was so fun. I just sang a toppy flat. Yeah, good for you. Oh, fuck yeah. Every day he comes into my room like, Benjamin, I just sang a toppy flat. Okay, well, you did it like twice, but hypocritical. Exactly. This is the energy we...
Whoa.
Yeah. No. Não vamos fazer isso.
Oh my god.
Oh, there.
Por que quando eu falo brasileiro eu falo sempre assim? Não sei o que se passa com a minha voz. Huh?
Excuse me?
Is there something wrong?
Yeah, I don't have any...
Did you beat a little?
I did... this is the funniest thing. Sorry.
República Filipinas.
Sorry.
Is it really written Filipinas?
Yeah,
Can you open it?
no, no, this looks really bad.
Oh my god, it's really written.
Dude, they don't have
I
in
know,
their
but
language.
still.
Okay, so
I
I
know,
may
but-
have opened
I never thought they would
your
write
team's
it like that.
ID card because he sent it to me.
It's really written
República
Filipinas.
ng Pilipinas.
Oh my god. It's just
It's like, it's not for nothing that we do these jokes, bro.
I know
Like,
they don't have the f sound,
Yeah.
but it just occurred to me that
They don't even write
they
for-
actually write p instead of f. I'm like, literally mind blown. That's why you see brains. everywhere.
Please don't do it over the piano.
No,
What? No.
of course not.
Ah, okay. It's like Broseph. What was the other one of these that I did?
Broseph.
Hi, Broseph. Okay, let's do
Who
some
was
music.
it the last time? I don't.
Alice?
Oh, your friend.
Which friend?
No, the.
I have like so many.
Oh my god. No, like the random guys who were writing in the end of the.
Ah, Lau and Jim
Yeah.
Man. I still want to know who that was.
But you knew one of them, right?
Ah. I mean, yes.
That's a weird answer.
Oh.
You knew one of them, right? Ah. Oh. Where's it?
Oh, yeah, that's too high for you. Sorry, bruv. Too high? We can do it a semitone lower.
What is this?
D. Oh, so he's allowed to compliment his low notes, but I'm not allowed to compliment my high notes.
Wow, was that a low D? Hey, hey, hey. We really need to learn this one.
Yeah. If only for Locinda Donna.
Yeah.
It's literally
She
such
would
an
love it.
Italian name.
Yeah. None of them. Lucinda. That's very Portuguese. Let's sing in English
Yes.
whilst we dance so wild. I never understand what they're singing about.
Singing about.
Just for this moment, you and I can smile.
show.
Sit on the waves, we'll keep dancing on the waves. The sunset will make us gold. Whilst we dance away.
What was that?
I'm improvising.
Can you click?
It's good enough.
Oh my god. And in the morning, oh, if I'm ever down, oh, I know the evening time will be better again. Taking these steps, oh, being with you, singing this melody we know. Dancing on the waves, we'll keep dancing on the waves, last forever in our hearts' embrace. Dancing on the waves, we'll keep dancing on the waves. The sunset will paint us gold while we dance away. Dancing on the waves, we'll keep dancing on the waves.
Split between our hearts embrace.
Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da. Dancing on the waves, we'll keep dancing on the waves.
The sunset will paint us gold. Lole, lole, lole.
You started it.
There's a Portuguese joke that's like, where did Shakira live?
I did that once.
You did it like twice.
Because you asked me to.
Yeah, maybe that's enough. I was just getting started. It's a good bridging. Impressive. Fuck, I can't write. What? La 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 la.
Oh, nice. Now you sound like you in his masters.
Oh, what's that? Lucky you were born that far away so that we could both make fun of distance. Lucky that I love the foreign and far. Lucky fact of your existence. Baby, I would gladly and you solely to count the freckles on your body. Never can imagine there were only 10 million ways to love somebody.
Can't you see I'm at your feet?
Whenever, wherever we're meant to be together, I'll be there and you'll be near, and that's sad in my ear. They're over here and there, you'll never have to wonder. We can always play by ear, and that's sad in my dear. Lucky that my lips not only mumble, they spill kisses like a fountain. Lucky that my breasts are small and humble, so you don't confuse them with Tanya's. Lucky I have strong legs like my mother to run for cover when I need it. And these two eyes are for no other. The day you leave will cry a river. La 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 la. Can't you see I am at your feet? Whenever, wherever we're meant to be together, I'll be there and you'll be near, and that's certain, my dear. They're over here and there, you'll never have to wonder. We can always play by ear, and that's certain, my dear. La 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 la.
Yeah, that's it.
I can't do it.
No, but that's a lie. Sorry.
Think out loud. We must do one more.
Oh.
Say it again.
La 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 la.
La 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 la.
Tell me one more time
That you'll leave perfect, lost in eyes. Whenever, wherever we're meant to be together, I'll be there and you'll be near, and that's certain, my dear. They're over here and there, you got me head over heels. There's nothing left to feel if you really feel the way I. Whenever, wherever we're meant to be together, I'll be there and you'll be near, and that's certain, my dear. They're over here and there, you've got me head over heels. There's nothing left to The vibration.
Which way are we going?
I don't know.
I have no idea. What's the second?
If you really feel the way I contigo mi vida, quiero vivir la vida, lo que me queda de vida, quiero vivir contigo, contigo, mi vida estoy hasta que yo bist mein Grab, in das ich ewig meine Kummer gab. Du bist die Ruhe, du bist der Friede, du bist vom Himmel mir beschieden, dass du mich liebst, macht mich mir wett, dein Blick hat mich von mir verklärt, du habst mich lieb, von Hunger dein guter Geist, mein besseres Ich. You know how hard it is to play this in bossa nova? Meine Seele, mein Herz, meine Wohnung, mein Schmerz, meine Erde, ich lebe, mein Himmel, du, da deine Schwebe, du bist mein Grab. Na, meinem It's all. What just going on? No, shut. I just got it. Pedro, nice.
Oh,
Glad you.
3 hours later. That's the whole reason I was showing.
Ah, okay. Ah, hola, Steph and you. We have a very special birthday with us. Everybody can sing Feliz cumpleaños. Is that right? Parabéns!
Parabéns!
Parabéns a você! Anyway, people. Oh, I love
swear, I had
Portuguese,
one
really.
glass of wine.
I haven't even had wine. Everybody can sing happy birthday to Stefan, who y'all have not seen, but
Yes.
not on camera. But he's.
He didn't show.
No, he didn't. I don't think he showed. Steph was too shy. He hid his face.
He did help us.
Steph
few times.
helped us
Yeah.
3-4 times with recording. So big love for Steph. Give him some love in the comments.
For the Christmas concert.
For the Christmas one
with
as well.
Heisbert.
Yeah.
Thank you, Steph. Happy birthday. Oh, yeah.
Anyway, everybody can sing happy birthday for Stefan. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Stefan. Happy birthday to you. Lang zou die leven, lang zou die leven, lang zou die leven in de gloria, in de gloria, in de
Yeah, it's better to leave it that way. I think.
Oh no, where's the schnibble? I clicked on Volgende and it didn't go to the schnibble.
Volgende.
That's literally me.
Volgende. That's the one you need me to swipe. Swipe, swipe.
Bummer.
That's not
Fa-
that kind
family
of
guy.
If you knew Dora a Exploradora.
How I missed you.
Swiper, no swiping!
Bro, you were supposed to turn the thing.
Already?
Okay. No, not now.
Oh, come on. Wait. I don't know what's happening, but
Mate, this is Stefan's song. Send some love to Jorginho dans les commentaires.
Gracias.
Así como cada noche estoy recordando, el vacío en este apartamento me está desesperando. Y aún sigo bebiendo, tu recuerdo me abraza. Pasa el tiempo, pero tú no pasas. ¿Cómo hago para cambiarme el corazón? La tristeza decora nuestra casa. Yo sé que nadie se muere de amor, pero el trago y no verte mata. No estado decadente. Decora essa casa. Eu sei que ninguém morre de amor, mas cachaça e saudade mata, e assim muero de amor. Se vai mais uma noite que tô virando vazia desse apartamento, já tô quase pirando. Me bate o espelho, empilhando garrafas. Passo o tempo, mas você não passa. Como hago pra cambiar meu coração? A tristeza decora nuestra casa. Yo sé que nadie se muere de amor, pero el trago y no verte mata. No estado decadente que eu tô. A tristeza decora essa casa. Eu sei que ninguém morre de amor, mas cachaça e saudade mata. E o estado decadente que eu estou. La tristeza decora nuestra casa. Yo sé que nadie muere de amor, pero el trago y no verte más. estado decadente que eu tô. A tristeza decora nossa casa. Eu sei que ninguém morre de amor, mas cachaça e saudade mata. Every single time. It's a good anthem, okay? Oh, anyway.
There's only one problem, is the same anthem that Donald Trump uses.
Oh, yeah.
I would just take that and then it would be nice.
Anyway, happy birthday, Stefan. Thank you for supporting us this long. I hope you're having a lovely time in Paris, and lots of love to you and Justine, sorry. It is someone else's birthday today. I'm not sure they're watching, so I'm going to play one or two more. So, if anyone has any requests, let me know. Jouons. Okay.
I have no idea what.
Okay, what did do you want to sing something?
Oh. Want to sing something?
Yes, what would you like to sing?
Excuse you.
Poi or moi? Should we do it?
No, but
You can do the first verse.
do I know it?
Mijn ogen liegen niet. Ik lees aan jouw gezicht af. We can do a Google Translate version to Portuguese for the first verse.
I do know.
Os meus olhos não mentem. Eu ler de sua cara.
Face. Woo! Nice. Bilingual. Yeah. Speak 2 languages, and I suck at both of them.
Represent. Everyone thinks it's like that time when it's like, so how does it feel being a polyglot? Well, I can't speak any of them fluently anymore, but it's okay.
That's exactly how I feel.
Yeah, same.
Trying to explain something to my mom, and then being like, oh, oops, how do I say that in Portuguese?
Dude, same. Remember, we have a like button underneath, or a dislike button if you want to be like, hit it and be cool and do it ironically.
Bad
like,
boy.
that's also fine.
I mean, they like bad boys.
Who is they?
Girls or guys.
It's like, the gays, TM.
No, the gay's TM. Yeah, exactly.
Oh, sorry, what's the gay anthem?
What?
What was the gay anthem?
What is it?
That's only the gay anthem because it was like the first thing I ever learned to play.
I would take that as a straight anthem if they let me. But
I
I'm
can't
sure
have
the,
it, it's ours.
the
Anyway,
straights wouldn't
remember,
allow that.
the straights TM.
Yeah.
Anyway, down below we have a like button or a dislike button. Choose your poison. And we have a subscribe button. Make sure you click it and make sure you send it to literally everyone you know, because the more people we have liking and subscribing, like then we get like more people watching, and that's kind of cool. So we would really appreciate that. And we have PayPal and Patch It Off underneath. Make sure you donate and give us all your puli.
And then you can spread it like Corona. Imagine people would spread our videos as they spread Corona.
Oh, that's what you meant. I really
Yeah.
had no idea what you were talking about. Spread what like?
If it goes viral,
Ah, okay. I was missing that, but it's like a virus.
viral, virus. Do you see a connection there? Yeah.
A tristeza decora essa casa. Eu sei que ninguém morre de amor, mas cachaça e saudade mata. Because, yeah, I didn't get
Trashassa?
Trash.
The
I
hell
was
is
hoping- I have
trashassa?
no idea, but I was hoping you would know. And be like,
Que
oh,
é isso de trashassa que você tá a falar?
my lord.
Nunca ouvi falar outra coisa que é trashassa. Oh my god. Poor Stravinsky.
No, which way is it round? Is it E flat over? Yeah. Oh.
The second you did sounded more correct.
Yeah, maybe it's E flat over E.
That one.
Suddenly goes like Chinese and Celtic. I've listened to this Chinese piano concerto the other day, and I want to become a Chinese pianist, but I can't because I'm not a pianist, and I
You're also not Chinese, I think.
also not Chinese. Last time I checked, but you know, I believe it's a spectrum.
You could work
And it
towards
changes from day
your
to day.
Chinese nationality. Whoa. Phew.
Bruv, what
Suddenly
are
I
we
was thinking,
singing?
how do you say that in Dutch?
Oh wait, we're supposed to be doing this for Wids,
Muy.
who just sent me a WhatsApp
Ooh.
saying that we should do the Sharknado 4. Oh my
What the
lord.
hell?
Get that on
There
after
are a number.
1.3. Excellent.
Oh my lord.
Oh,
That's
MK.
embarrassing. What was that?
Joseph.
What was that?
Okay, are we doing the Portuguese version or are you trying it in Dutch? It would be very cute if you tried it in Dutch.
I can try.
Well,
I
should
think
we
I
do-
would do
should
a
we do-
better job trying it in Dutch than Portuguese.
Let's do. Why don't we do both? Because I want to hear.
Oh my god.
Oh, MK.
Oh my god. Portuguese.
Oh, excuse me. Did you know the first verse?
Why does I have one question? Google, if you're hearing, I mean, of course you are. What am
Google,
I
give us
saying?
free stuff.
Google, you're of course listening to this conversation. So, can you please tell me why the F don't you have a Portuguese version? Yeah, or no, I prefer this one. You don't have a
They're both Fs.
European Portuguese translation. Translate, Google Translate, wherever.
F8.
Sorry, F8. wait. Sorry, that was a F8. Can you start?
Mijn ogen liegen niet. Ik lees aan jouw gezicht af dat er iets veranderd is. Alsof al ons verdriet is verdwenen in je glimlach. Vandaag schijnt een ander licht. Ik ben benieuwd wat jouw geheim is. We can do it in a different key. Deel het met mij. Jij zijt mooi, schoon, schoon. Je bent mooi wanneer je stil bent, mooi wanneer je praat. Jij bent mooi, mooi, mooi. Je bent mooi wanneer je wakker wordt, mooi wanneer je slaapt. First verse.
Yeah, but you have to do it with me.
Portuguese.
Yes. So many things going
I'll
on.
play the piano as well, okay?
Yes.
Doing the 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go.
Meus olhos não mentem, eu li na sua cara que algo mudou. Como toda a nossa dor desapareceu do seu sorriso, de uma luz diferente
Está.
andou. Me pergunto qual é o seu segredo. Compartilhe comigo. Jij bent mooi, mooi, mooi. Jij bent mooi wanneer je stil bent, mooi wanneer je pracht. Jij bent mooi, mijn pracht, mooi. Jij bent mooi wanneer je wakker wordt, mooi wanneer
ik je zie je stralen als het zonlicht onder meer. De mooiste ben je liever, al heb je dat niet door. Dan zeg ik het graag, daar ben ik toch voor. Ja, ik ben er vandaag en morgen, overmorgen. Ik ben er voor altijd, ik ben al lang blij dat ik naar je kijken kan elke dag. Zelfs als de nacht zich schijnt, liever dan schijn je zelfs meer. En morgen als ik wakker word, dan zeg ik het weer. Jij bent mooi, mooi, mooi. Je bent mooi wanneer je stil bent, mooi wanneer je praat. Jij bent mooi, mooi, mooi. Je bent mooi wanneer je wakker wordt, mooi wanneer je slaapt. Leen mij een beetje van jouw licht, hou mij uit de schaduw. Ik zou willen vliegen, maar ik draag te veel gewicht. Leen mij een vleugels. Jij bent mooi, mooi, mooi. Je bent mooi wanneer je stil bent, mooi wanneer je praat. Jij bent mooi, mooi, mooi. Je bent mooi wanneer je wakker wordt, mooi wanneer je slaapt. Ik ben benieuwd wat jouw geheim is. Deel het met mij. Jij bent mooi, mooi, mooi. Je bent mooi wanneer je stil bent, mooi wanneer je praat. Jij bent mooi, mooi, mooi. Je bent mooi wanneer je wakker wordt en mooi wanneer je slaapt. Jij bent mooi, mooi, mooi. Je bent mooi wanneer je bent stil bent, mooi wanneer je praat. Jij bent mooi, mooi, mooi. Je bent mooi wanneer je wakker wordt, mooi wanneer je slaapt. Mooi, mooi. Mooi wanneer je praat. Jij bent mooi, mooi, mooi. Jij bent mooi wanneer je wakker wordt. Mooi wanneer je slaapt. We have another very special person joining us today in the concert, and it is his birthday. And he's supported us a lot through everything. Francisco Lobon. Ah.
Oh. Just the two of us.
Painting castles in the sky. Just the two of us.
Just the two of us. I just know that part.
Ba-ba-ba-dee-dee-dee.
Just the five of us. Oh, is that too much? No, oops.
So anyway, everybody can sing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. To JB. forgot to have this loaded. Sorry, this is not such a smooth changer. That was in Miranda in today when she's going up the stairs dressed in that outfit as a transvestite.
Yeah.
She's just gonna get changer. Oh, I love Miranda. How does a theme tune go? Francisco, did you hear me practicing that? Because I was going to play that today. No, sorry. Bramzinho.
We really have to try Omindulem.
Yep. Okay. Heel goed. Can you scrollen for the first one? Oh, spullen.
Ik kan scrollen.
Ik ben scrollen. Okay, and I had a nice. There was okay. So JB, it's his birthday, and we had.
If you haven't seen, go and check the lion singing video. It's such a good one.
Okay, JB, I know you said not to do a medley, but
It's happening.
it's happening, and I'm too cute to not do medleys.
Oh
So
my god. Jesus.
never thought I'd say that to John. Anyway, hi John, happy birthday. It's literally what Brahms wrote.
Uh-huh.
I mean, I haven't told you we're doing Brahms yet.
I mean, they guessed from the harmony. Right. Sorry. Just checking something.
Die Melodien zieht es mir leise durch den Sinn, wie Frühlingsblumen blut es und schwebt wie Duft dahin. Und schwebt wie Duft dahin. Doch kommt das Wort und fasst es und fühlt es vor des Aug, wie Nebelgrau erblasst es und schwindet wie ein Hauch und schwindet wie ein Hauch. Und dennoch ruht im reiner, verborgen wohl ein Duft, denn mild aus stillem Keimer ein feuchtes Auge ruht. Denn mild aus stillem Keimer ein feuchtes Auge. sacred night, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also in the faces of people passing by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, "How do you do?" They're really saying, "Ooh, I love you." I hear babies cry, oh, I watch them grow. They'll learn much more than I'll ever know. And I think to myself, and I think to myself, and I it's such a perfect day. I'm glad I spent it with you. Oh, just a perfect day. You just keep me hanging on. You just keep me hanging on. I see friends shaking hands, saying, "How do you do?" They're really saying that they love you. I see trees of green, red roses too, and I see them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, it's such a perfect day. I'm glad I spent it with you. Oh, such a perfect day. You just keep me hanging on. You just keep me hanging on. You just keep me hanging on to. JB, I see this world has made you sad. Some people can be bad. The things they do, the things they say. But JB, she'll wipe away those bitter tears. She'll chase away those restless fears. turn your blue skies into grey. Why worry? There must be laughter after pain. There should be sunshine after rain. These things have always been the same. So why worry now? Why worry now? JB, when she gets down, she turns to you, and you make sense of what she do. And though it isn't hard to say, JB, just when this world seems mean and cold, your love comes shining red and gold, and all the rest is by the way. Why worry? There should be laughter after pain. There should be sunshine after rain. These things have always been the same. So why worry now? Why worry now? Thank you. Happy birthday, JB. I hope you are really well and that everybody is well there all the way in Oakington. I hope to see you soon. And yeah. I hope you have a lovely day. Love to you and Maria and all of the girls. Guys, if y'all have any requests as normal, let one know. Tokushoot! Oh man, we only have 10 minutes, so I was supposed to do...
Excuses not to play shoot.
Yeah. Okay. Loading. Talk amongst yourselves. Put a funny joke in the chat. Let each other know what y'all have been doing this week. Okay, so we had dos other requestos, and yeah. So now we need to be a little bit rápido. No ha podido olvidar mi corazón aquellos ojos tristes, soñadores que yo amé. Lo dejé por conquistar una ilusión y perdí su rastro y ahora sé que sé buscaba y ahora estoy aquí buscándolo de nuevo y ya no está, se fue. Tal vez usted lo ha visto, dígale que yo siempre lo adoré y que nunca lo olvidé, que mi vida es un desierto y muero yo de sed, y dígale también que solo junto a él puedo respirar. No hay brillo en las estrellas, ya no el sol me calienta y estoy muy solo aquí. No sé a dónde fue. Por favor, dígale usted. Fueron tantos los momentos que me amó, que siento sus caricias y su olor está en mi piel. Cada noche me abrazaba junto a él, me cubría de besos y entre mil caricias me llevaba a la locura, y ahora estoy aquí buscándolo de nuevo y ya no está, se fue. Tal vez usted lo ha visto, dígale que yo siempre lo adoré y que nunca lo olvidé, que mi vida es un desierto y muero yo por sed, y dígale también que solo junto a él puedo respirar. No hay brillo en las estrellas, ya no el sol me calienta y estoy muy solo aquí. No sé dónde fue. Por favor, dígale me cubría de besos y entre mil caricias me llevaba a la locura, y ahora estoy aquí buscándolo de nuevo y ya no está, se fue. Tal vez usted lo ha visto, dígale que le siempre adoré y que nunca lo olvidé, que mi vida es un desierto y muero yo por sed, y dígale también que solo junto a él puedo respirar. No hay brillo en las estrellas, ya ni el sol me calienta y estoy muy solo aquí. No sé a dónde fue. Por favor, dígale usted. Gracias a la vida que me ha dado tanto, me dio dos luceros que cuando los abro perfecto distingo lo negro del blanco, y
en alto cielo, su fondo estrellado, y en las multitudes el hombre que yo amo. Gracias a la vida que me ha dado tanto, me ha dado el oído que en todo su ancho cada noche y día grillas y canarios, martillos, turbinas y chubascos, y la voz tan tierna de mi bien amado. Gracias a la vida que me ha dado tanto, me ha dado el sonido y el abecedario, con él las palabras que pienso y declaro. Madre, amigo, hermano y luz alumbrando, y la ruta del alma del que estoy amando. Gracias a la vida que me ha dado tanto, me ha dado la marcha de mis pies cansados, con ellos anduve ciudades y charcos, playas y desiertos, montañas y llanos, y la casa tuya, tu calle y tu patio. Gracias a la vida que me ha dado tanto, me dio el corazón que agita su marco cuando miro el fruto del cerebro humano, cuando miro el bueno tan lejos del malo, cuando mira al fondo de tus ojos claros. Gracias a la vida, gracias a la vida que me ha dado tanto, me ha dado la risa y me ha dado el llanto. Así yo distingo lo negro del blanco, los dos materiales que forman mi canto y el canto de ustedes, que es mi mismo canto, y el canto de todos, que es mi propio canto.
One final quick bossa novinha. Good luck. I haven't sung this. I'm saying good luck to myself. To the left, 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 to the left. Everything you want in the box to the left, in the closet. That's my stuff, yes. If I bought it, please don't touch. Or just keep talking with that mess, that's fine. Could you walk and talk at the same time? And it's my name that is on that text. So remove your bags and let me call you a cab. I only know the Spanish. What's the next melody? No. Sorry, hold on. Pause. Okay, sorry. I thought I was going to do it in English to be like more like inclusive, but we have to do it. Irreemplazable. Letra. Dame chance. 1 minute. Give me a chance. Español. Okay, sorry. Next week I'm not going to learn this in English next week. Okay.
Bates com eles no chão. Bates com eles no chão.
Ya lo ves, ya lo ves. Te olvidé, te olvidé. Ya lo ves, ya lo ves. Ya lo ves, amor. Esta vez te diré. En el closet, en el rincón, están tus cosas. Eso se acabó. Y te juro que no te aguanto más. No te quiero ya ni como amante. Esta vez no ganarás. Te puedes marchar y no vuelvas a más. Y si acaso pienso que esta vez voy a perdonar, ya verás que nunca más me vuelves a engañar. Ya lárgate, ¿qué sabes tú de mí? No me hagas reír. Tú crees que eres imprescindible, pero sin tu amor no voy a morirme, baby. ¿Qué sabes tú de mí? No me hagas reír. Me verás con otro hombre a mi lado. Mi leve es traidor y voy a estúpide a olvidar tu Ya me curé del dolor, ya te saqué de mi corazón. Vete con ella, solos los dos. Pobre de ti, lárgate, me das asco. Tú eras mi luz, pero hay amores que matan, te dan yo. Me cansé de ti, ya no soy feliz. Y si acaso piensas que esta vez voy a perdonar, ya verás que nunca más me vuelvas a engañar. Ya lárgate, ¿qué sabes tú de mí? No me hagas reír. Tú crees que eres imprescindible, pero sin tu amor no voy a morir. tú de mí no me hagas reír. Tú crees que eres imprescindible, pero sin tu amor no voy a morirme, baby. ¿Qué sabes tú de mí? No me hagas reír. Me verás con otro hombre a mi lado. Ya lo ves, traidor, voy a sustituirte, baby. ¿Qué sabes tú de mí? No me hagas reír. Pero sin tu amor no voy a morirme. Ya baby, ¿qué sabes tú de mí? No me hagas reír. Tú crees que eres imprescindible, pero sin tu amor no voy a morirme, baby. ¿Qué sabes tú de mí? No me hagas reír. Me verás con otro hombre a mi lado. Ya lo ves, traidor, voy a sustituirte. Voy a olvidar tu amor.
Bates com eles no chão.
João, check your PayPal.
Gracias, Pedro.
Gracias a la Pedro, que me ha dado tanto, que ha donado tanto. Get it?
Yes.
Yeah? Pedro, thumbs up if you got the joke. Gracias al Pedro. Ah,
Puli.
puli. Dinheiro. Pouco.
Pouco.
Muito obrigado,
Obrigado.
Pedrinho. Pedrozinho. Pedrinho. Like a little stone. Like piedra. Pedrinho.
Pedrinha.
Ah, okay.
It's very close.
Right?
Yeah.
Right? Okay.
Like, oh my god.
Like OMG. Não acredito nisso. Eu não acredito nisso. Oh meu Deus.
Sorry.
Anyway, guys, muito obrigado for joining the concert. That means very thank you in Brazilian.
Very thank you.
Oh, that's very funny.
Thank you. Nice save.
Oh, say, can you say?
Oh,
We've watched this video too much. There's a fantastic video of y'all can find out next week. Thank you guys for joining. Olá, eu sou Benjamin. Oh, yeah, that's me. That's how I talk Portuguese. João, when we did the concert in Portugal, left me on stage
I'm so done with
he
this joke.
it's not even a fucking joke. It's like João took the piss out of my accent on stage, which fair enough because we do that enough to João.
okay. Thank you for whatever you say.
Something
I
with
mean-
your fist?
No. No, definitely not my point. Like, context. Phew, that's the word.
Lynn, you're very welcome. Anyway, yeah, thank you everybody for joining. Remember, like, subscribe, send it to 1 million people.
And buy our merchandise.
Don't listen to this dude.
Spice Boys and
Spice Boys presents
Lynn and
Lynn and Tonic the musical. Oh, God, I really hope that happens. If enough people donate, right, vamos, here we go. If enough people donate, we can literally write a musical. Well, I could do it anyway, but donate anyway because I have to pay my rent.
Why did you say that?
What?
Why? No, you say if you do.
Okay.
Then yes.
If we get 500 pulleys per month, 500 euros, one pulley, two
Countable.
pulleys.
So you say many and how?
One men, too many.
No.
This is what happens when both your parents are English teachers.
You get to a point where you can't speak English anymore.
No, but just the jokes you find funny are not. Well, anyway, I thought one men, too many was very good.
Yes, I found it funny, but.
Oh, but I thought it was
wasn't.
hilarious, not
No,
funny. Like,
okay.
I was like, that's prime comedy here.
Maybe in that country, some people call what I call the UK.
In what I call England. Anyway.
But wait, England is
Hold
a
on,
country,
story.
right? And
It's-
UK is also a country.
Yes, it's a country of
But
countries.
it's a country. But that there are countries that are part of the UK, but at the same time they're not.
Yeah.
What
Basically, whenever the government.
about, what about the
wants
Commonwealth?
Oh.
Whoa.
Anyway, no longer my country. Anyway, no longer.
But that's also a country, the Commonwealth. It's a collection of countries that are basically all part of the same country. That the Queen kind of rules, but then.
Hands up in the chat if you want Joao to.
Please develop. Okay, I'm done. Sorry.
Okay, guys, like.
But
Chicas. Chutos.
what about Australia?
Okay, Joao, you may leave. Go
Because they have the same Queen,
Joao.
but it's another country that is not part of the UK. But it's part of the Commonwealth, right?
I don't know. We don't get taught this stuff in school.
Really?
Of course not, because then people
Me
would be
neither.
against the government.
Me neither. Thank God.
Anyway, like, subscribe, Puli, donate below. If you have any requests, let us know. As always,
Share.
do you believe? Anyway, so we were in Portugal, and this is
SHARE. Share. Not CHER. Please continue.
Do you want to tell the story?
No, you
I'm
can-
curious as to how you would say it,
You can.
because it'll probably be like all straight.
What is that supposed to be?
But just like at 9:50 this happened, and then 3 minutes later this happened.
Yeah, that's how we straight TM speak. I'm going to say this now every
TM.
time.
It's
Straights
very, it's
TM.
very good. The straights TM.
Straights. TM.
Patent. What is it? Patent
Patent
pending.
pending. Why? I mean, we were invented first, right?
Nah, dude.
You sure?
Adam went for a snake. No, wait, it was Eve. Labmar, I'm not good enough at Christianity to get this. Hold on. There's a good joke about that I saw on a meme. I'll try and find it for next week. Anyway, we were in Portugal.
It's Adam saying, God, Daddy, how is it? Oh man, today's God Friday, just so you know.
But the good context for the joke. Exactly.
Exactly.
So Adam says to God. That's all I remember. I
Yeah, but
forgot
it's
what it was.
like, I think it just says like harder, Daddy, and
Okay, so that's
I don't know
that's
the
the
context.
punchline.
Yeah, but the punchline is Adam saying to God, harder, Daddy, and God says, you guys have to get the hell out of my garden.
Right, yeah, that's it. No, what is it?
But I don't remember.
It's like God smites them, and Adam's like, harder, Daddy. And then he's like, get out of my
You guys
kingdom.
have to get the hell out of my garden. I mean, I wonder why. Sodomy.
I mean, it's sexism, right? It's like Eve made a mistake, and now we get to hate women. Like, that's
did the
because of a
mistake?
woman's mistake, we all have to suffer.
Then Eve. Did you say Adam or Eve?
I said Eve. No, I meant to say Eve.
Whatever. We can rewatch it later.
Winner gets €5.
Yeah.
If I said Eve, I get €5.
Why?
If you say, if
I'm
I said
broke.
Adam, same.
I
People,
have
go
no-
and donate. This is all of our conversations now.
So when you were in Portugal,
It's not even that funny.
anyway,
Guys, have a good week. Don't die. Don't get corona. And I'll see you guys next week.
I mean, you can if it's your kind of.
If
thing.
it's your thing, no fetish shaming.
Fat shaming, no, that's another thing. I'm trying really hard. No, I'm
To do
not.
what?
Not to mess up even more.
Thanks, Wits. Love.
Shushu.
I was like, what?
Anyway, this one time Benjamin went to Portugal, and
This
guess
one
what?
time at Bandcamp?
So, and then Benjamin says,
What is this accent?
I don't know.
Is that supposed to be me?
No.
And then Benjamin said,
And like Benjamin
this
is
is
like,
how, whenever I quote anybody and they said
Yeah.
it in a bit of a bitchy voice, this is always a voice I do.
even if they don't say
Oké,
it,
maar
it's-
als je hem like gaat quoten, dan moet je het like gewoon goed quoten. Literally wids.
Oh, this tastes pretty spicy.
Oh, this tastes pretty spicy.
Bro, rustig.
Broer.
Rustig. Rustig aan.
Oh my god. Hidda saying that tea was spicy was my favorite Hidda moment ever.
No, I also like to. Should like a. Wow. Should like a.
Should I like become
be
a Bollywood singer?
We love you.
We love Woodzinu. And yes, he should become a Bollywood singer. Are we turning it off?
Anyway, so
10 people still watching. Guys, get a life. Don't
so
listen
listen
to
to
us
the
do
piano
this.
in a little bit yours.
Oh,
Oh, it's a request for you
okay.
because
Someone
he
with
said
experience makes
Siri-
me sound like a hooker.
Siri, play next week a little bit yours.
Okay. A little bit yours. Next week, Thai very much.
And you also have the request by.
I did Dylan today. Can you feel?
The left to right.
Ciao, Pedro. Ciao, Pedro. Doizinho.
No, the.
What?
Carla? What's her name?
Carla Pais.
No.
No, that's your one. Carla,
Pray for Hida.
pray for Hidda.
Carla Basilio.
Ah,
She asked the same that Francisco asked.
which one? Shooters.
A lovely day, lovely day,
Oh,
lovely day.
I thought it was.
lovely day.
I did another song today called Lovely Day. I thought it was the same one.
And she
Okay.
donated, so right that
Again?
down. No, but she's a patron.
Ah, yeah, yeah.
patron
But
now.
did we say last?
No, but what I mean is you have to do the request.
I do have to. Ah,
Write it down
Trezbon.
before you forget. Anyway,
Antes que eu vou forgeto.
so Benjamin.
Olvidar?
Esquecer.
Oh.
So Benjamin thinks he's a
Esquecer.
polyglot just because he speaks like 20 languages or something. so
True.
so I
True
did
Ian.
so I did what ev-
Tony true Ian.
so I did what every good friend would do. I left him alone in Portugal on stage, speaking Portuguese.
After mocking me for like the whole concert.
Speaking Portuguese to the like 150 people or something.
And I had this moment of clarity where I was like observing myself and I was just like, how am I in Portugal giving a concert to 150 people having to speak Portuguese?
Olá, eu sou o Benjamin, eu falo assim. No.
It was terrifying with the YouTube ones. Tongai.
Aitongai.
Tongai.
Aitongai. Sounds
Aitongai?
Japanese.
No,
Or
it sounds like British or
Chinese.
Australian.
What? Aitongai?
Tongai?
The Tongai?
Tongai. Oh, yeah.
Tongai sounds
Lama.
very
Are we going to finish the
somewhere
stream?
from Asia.
Ciao.
Ciao. Oh, I have to stop it.
Italiano.
Ciao, peoples.
Al pie de las João, qual era a canção? Dear Lovely. Bill Withers. Withers must one wander. Yeah, go for it. Bye. Don't get corona. Love you.
Terminate.
That was very fun.